Riverside County is working with Palm Springs after the police chief blasted a program that places people who need to quarantine in a hotel in the city.
Well, tonight we're going in depth in an I-Team investigation on that program and also another one called Project Roomkey that's showing some success at getting homeless people off the streets during this pandemic.
Who knows how many have been coming to our city.
March 1st, Palm Springs Police Chief Brian Reyes was upset after finding out about a Riverside County program placing at-risk homeless people, some who had been released from jail, at a hotel in the city to quarantine. Over a month later, the city council getting an explanation from Supervisor Manuel Perez's government relations and public policy advisor, Greg Rodriguez.
The county has contracted with 2 hotels in the county since 2004, one in Palm Springs and one in Riverside.
For the first 15 years, the program was used mainly in rare cases, just 2 or 3 people a year, often TB patients.
And so you can see in 2019, prior to COVID, there was only one person housed in the Palm Springs Hotel, and that was one referred from a hospital.
Then COVID happened.
Has it been recently mostly COVID?
Absolutely. Most of the individuals have been COVID positive.
I talked with the county's public health director, Kim Saratari. The county has had more at-risk people being released from hospitals, jails, or referred with a need to isolate and nowhere to go. In March, the number of people placed at a hotel in Palm Springs was 13.
Of the 13, 8 of them were from the Coachella Valley. So the majority from the Coachella Valley. 4 of them did not list a residence.
In its latest update to the city, the county also touting a new effort to get especially vulnerable homeless people off the streets, Project Roomkey. I talked with Riverside County's Director of Housing, Homeless Prevention and Workforce Solutions, Heidi Marshall.
We started participating in that and offered services to folks who were medically fragile, those who were 65 and over, and pregnant women.
The program provides vouchers for hotel rooms to give people a place to transition into a permanent housing situation. It's funded through the Federal CARES Act and has cost the county about $12 million to help over 900 people total and over 130 people locally.
133 are in the city of Palm Springs. And breaking it further down, 58 of them have transitioned into a permanent housing opportunity.
A success rate of about 44%.
Have you found any other programs that have been tried with the homeless that have had a success rate that high?
No, we're very proud of it.
Right now, Project Roomkey is beginning to wind down. Marshall thinks it can be a model for future programs as the county pledges to continue to work with Palm Springs on solutions.
We're all in this together. Like Heidi said, it takes a village.
Now, the police chief in Palm Springs happy with the county's outreach over the past month since he first raised this issue at the beginning of March. He issued a statement to us reading in part, "I am pleased that the county of Riverside has responded to the city's request for information regarding homeless programs in a timely manner and that they have significantly raised the level of communication with county staff." You can find his full statement. It'll be posted shortly online at KESQ.com.